How to make a simple bar chart in Google Sheets. Open the Google Sheets. Open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in docs.google.com. Search for it and Google Sheets will be opened. Make sure to open the spreadsheet where you want to create the bar chart. Enter your data over here. You can see over here I have already entered it. Now what you have to do is select the cells that you would want to be included in the bar chart. Click on the cell of your choice. Now simply drag your cursor like this. After all the cells are selected, click on the insert option that you can see at top. Click on the option chart. Now by default bar chart will be created. If it is not created, what you have to do is look over here in the chart editor. Click on the option setup. Click on the field of chart type. You'll be able to see the suggested chart type over here. Click on the bar graph. You can also adjust other settings like stacking, data range, etc. You can also customize the chart. And your bar chart will be ready. Like this, you can make a simple bar chart in Google Sheets. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.